Hey guys, do you want to look better when you're dancing salsa? Do you want to look more natural? Do you want to look more professional? Do you want to look like you have more flavor? Do you want to look like you're enjoying yourself more? This is what this video is about. Me and my partner are going to go over some tips with you. 3 tips on how to look better, how to look more natural out on the dance floor. You're going to enjoy it. But before you go, subscribe here for more salsa tutorials. Enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back. These are 3 tips for beginners on how to look better, how to look more professional when you dance, how to look more elegant, how to have more flavor in your dance. Overall, people are gonna think that you were born a salsa dancer since you were little, and people are gonna ask you like, hey, where are you learning? Send them to this channel. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So the first tip, take small steps. Now, you've seen a lot of people that dance like this, huge steps, right? First of all, when you're out at a party, you don't even have that much space. When you're out at a nightclub, the dance floor is usually packed and you're dancing, you want to take small steps, make your dance tight. Look, we're going to give you a view here from the side. Look at our steps. When we take the basic step, this is the follower's timing, 5, 6, 7. Look at how small the steps are, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. When we do it together, watch this. I'm playing the leader's part, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Look at how much space we're taking up. We're moving very, very little. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I usually think of putting one foot right behind the other, not literally right behind us and making a line, but you want to go 1 foot, they're going to be staggered, but you don't want to go like 2 feet back. That's what I mean. You don't want to make this, have this wide gap in your legs and you're going to be taking this huge step. It doesn't look so good when you take this wide, gigantic steps like that, okay? Keep the dance small. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that's tip number 1. Let's go to tip número 2. Number 2. So the arm movement. You want to be subtle with your arm movement. You don't want to go crazy. Let's show you 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You want to have the arms be bent, nice and relaxed, kind of a little bit above your hip. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You don't want to go crazy with your arms. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. Or you see people when they're dancing, they're doing all these hand gestures. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. You don't, I mean, it's fun, but this is not double dutching right here. You want to calm the hands down, make it nice and elegant. You can still show some flavor, 1, 2, 3. You can still move them around. They don't have to be stiff, dead hanging like that. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Bring them up. Use your hands, but don't overuse them when you're dancing because otherwise it just looks sloppy, okay? Okay, so that's tip number 2. And the last tip is add some body movement into your steps. You don't want to be that guy that looks like he's just fresh out of the dance studio. He started taking lessons like 2 weeks ago and he's like dancing all robotic. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Or where you just look very stiff when you're dancing. You want to add some flavor, some movement into your dance. You want to add some body movement so that people think that you've been dancing your whole life so that you look like a natural. Now, this is kind of hard. This is how to move your hips, how to move your ribcage, how to move your body. So I'll give you a tip that is going to help you with that. You want to bring your feet together and start to move your knees and notice how when you move your knees, you want to have one knee bent, one knee straight. It's going to start to move your hips. It's going to start to move your ribcage as you do that. And you're going to coordinate. And that's going to give you the hip and the body movement. Okay, we have a course specifically designed to teach people how to move your body. So this is a very simple and easy thing that you can do to start practicing it. There is a much more in detail exercises that you could do to improve this, but just keep practicing this. It'll show you how you can move your hips. But do add that into your dance, because if you don't, you're gonna look stiff, you're gonna look robotic. It's not gonna look good when you're dancing. You're gonna look like that person that's just started to take lessons. You're gonna look bad. So watch the difference. If we keep stiff, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, versus if we add some body movement into it, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, just kidding, don't do that. Okay guys, so those are the 3 tips on how to look better as a beginner and how to progress your salsa dancing. Hope you enjoyed it. See you guys in the next video. Hey guys, well done for watching it all the way to the end of the video. Awesome job. Practice the 3 tips that we're giving you here in this video. It's gonna take your dancing to the next level. You're gonna look so much better out on the dance floor. And when people ask you, hey, why are you looking so good? What are you learning? What are you doing differently? Send them over to this video and subscribe here for more free salsa tutorials. I hope you liked it. See you guys soon.